#No machine instruction phone case unpacking. Open the box. Check whether the outer packaging is complete or has any bumps. Open the buckle of the wooden box and lift out the machine. Place the machine on a flat tabletop. Remove the protective film of the machine. Use a screwdriver to remove the carriage fixing bracket. Make sure the left and right sides of the carriage are normal. Using a screwdriver, remove the platform fixing bracket. Make sure the front and rear of the platform are normal. Power-ups. Connect the power cord and turn on the main switch. Open the top cover. Long press the button on the right side of the computer to turn on the computer. Connect to an available network. Press the buttons to ensure that the machine is normal. Add inks. Open the bezel on the left side of the machine. Confirm ink bottle order. Shake the ink evenly and pour it into the ink bottle that matches the color. Install the left baffle according to the fixed position. Click Load Ink in the software for 30 seconds. And then stop. Wait 5 seconds, then click Load Ink for 5 seconds. Stop and save. Press the button lightly to check whether there is ink in the ink pad. Please press the button Clean and wait for the cleaning to be completed. Check. Place a piece of clean white paper flat. Click the front button nozzle. The white paper will print detection lines. It is normal for less than 10 lines to be missing.